The operation is currently ongoing, and we have identified about 40 spots, and these locations are within the target scope of our operation, and around 30 to 35 Syrians on the opposite side have been neutralized so far, but of course we will not put an end to this. The operation will continue. In particular, with the Russian authorities, we said you are not the counterpart for us. The counterpart in this case for us is the Syrian regime, so that we will not be blocked away. Because on one hand we have soldiers falling martyrs, and it is not possible for us to remain silent. We will continue to ask for accountability, and our artilleries, our F-16s, they're all are operating in the field, and these locations are being under fire now, are being operated on through strikes.